You can see the left mirror inches away, so about how to approach my branch manager about the golf club. Yeah, but he's a super nice guy, ex-Navy officer. Right on, guys. Oh yeah, I have to switch off the video. Yeah, it's forbidden. So I hope you enjoy. You have a great weekend if you're watching this and it's about to be weekend. Otherwise, I'll see you for the next episode. So from down on the track here, hope you enjoy. Little drama around and take it easy.